on the money.
No.
No, I said 6,587.
650 or 6,500.
No, 6,587.
If I write in 6,500.
Yeah.
If I write 6,500, it is 6,500.
Yeah, I don't know, but I want 6,500.
That's why I asked if you want 6,000, 6,000.
I don't know what I don't know what you call it. I want 6,500.
You're not, I can't give.
No, 6,587. Where's she gone for clarification?
Alright, sir. The 65 means 6,500 or $650.
Where I come from is 6,500.
You're paying by cash?
No, I'm paying by credit card. 6,587.
You understand it?
No, a 6,587 I want.
I can't understand you when you said
60. Listen
You want
up. Listen
65
up.
litre?
Listen, no. $6,500 what I guess.
6,500.
Yeah, 6,500.
So that's 6,500 then.
You, if you're interpreted as that, then that's it. That's what you interpret it as. I want 6,587.
Saying 6,500, no 6,500.
That's what you interpreted as. Then, if that's what you interpreted as that one, I want 6,587. Right?
But you said 6,500.
Is there a difference?
No?
Then if there is a difference.
Them understand it's 6,500.
Oh, them understand. Oh, so I can't say 6,500. I have to say 6,500. Is that so? So 65. Well, I know after 65,100 is too much money.
We put the money in cash.
$6,100 is too much.
No 6,500?
Yeah, then what's the problem? All right then. Later.